So first up, I've got this blank banner ready to decorate with our vinyls. So I'm going to add a nice detailed design on here, and I'll be passing this on to Hope from Bunny and Bloom Crafts, and she's going to embroider and embellish into it. So I cannot wait to see what she does with it. Very excited. Let's get crafting. So I've got my shapes all cut now, and I'm ready to add them to my banner. So I'm going to be using the HappyPress 4 Auto Open in white to fuse them onto the banner. And here it is. So I've added the Happy Flex for the outline of the bee, for the hand cut leaves and the big flowers, and then Happy Flock for the rest of the floral details. So it's all ready to send off to Hope at Bunny and Bloom Crafts, and she's going to be embroidering and embellishing into it. So I cannot wait to see what she does with it.